What's up, YouTube? It's I am Nicole, and I'm back at it again with another video. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I not constructed, but how I styled my client's wig. So yeah, we're just going to keep this short and sweet, and we go get right into it. So starting off, I'm just gonna go ahead and start plucking it, thinning out the hairline. As you can see, the closure is already sewed onto the dome cap. I just wanted to do the closure first and then worry about sewing the hair on the cap later. So I'm gonna go ahead and thin out the hairline. I'm not using no specific type of method. I'm just plucking until it looks good. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put the bleach on the front part of the hair, and I'm going to bleach the knots. Okay, so during this quarantine, it got the beauty supplies in Detroit acting real funny. So I was running out of bleach on this part, and that's why the bleach is loose. However, I was careful not to ruin the closure, but I would not recommend you using loose bleach to bleach your closure. To bleach your knots, because just don't do it. Okay, make sure the bleach is a little bit thicker so that it doesn't seep through the closure. But as you can see, I was real careful and her closure was not ruined. And I'm just gonna go in and start pressing the hair. I love this part because it just looks so good. Now I'm gonna go in and start curling the hair. My client wanted loose curls, so that's what I'm gonna do. The T on the flat irons that I'm using, hunty, I'm using the Babyliss Pro flat irons. And when I tell y'all, I just bought these flat irons and they were close to $200. Tell me why they don't work no more, y'all. And Ulta Beauty acting stupid, but that's neither here or there. I just had to rent because me seeing these flat irons is pissing me off right now. But yeah, I'm just going in and curling her hair.
touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear. Don't touch my soul, no, no. When it's the rhythm I know. Don't touch my crown. This is the vision I've found. Don't touch what's when it's the feeling I wear. They don't understand what it means to me. Where it chose to go, where it meant to know. And they don't understand what it means to me. Where it chose to go, where it meant to know. You know this every smile she wrote about. I give it time, but this every smile. You know this every smile she wrote about. I give it time, but this every smile. What you say?
And that is it. My client's wig came out beautiful. She loved it. Please don't mind me, y'all. My client wig came out beautiful. She loved it, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give that thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video.
What you say to me? What you say? What you say? What you say? What you say to me? What you say to me? I tried to drink it away.